This quick lesson will show you how to merge cells in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, we want our title to be centered above our table of data. We can change the alignment for the cell that the title is entered into, but we currently can't make it center across our table. This is where cell merging can help. Highlight the cells as shown. Now, from the top menu, choose Merge and Center. The title will now be centered over our table of data. This has effectively become one large cell. Now when we change the alignment, it moves position, based on the new merged area. Now let's merge the months, with the empty cells shown below them. Highlight the cells for January, as shown. Now, from the top menu, choose Merge and Center. Cells B3 and B4 will now be merged into one cell. Note, however, that the default vertical cell alignment is towards the bottom of the cell. To fix this, choose the middle alignment option as shown. You can now repeat this process for all other months. Alternatively, you can choose the Format Painter option. This handy tool copies formats to other cells. To do this, highlight the new merged cell as shown. Now, click the Format Painter option. Now we need to highlight the cells we want to copy our formatting to. Once you release the mouse button, the format will automatically be pasted, and the cells will automatically change. Let's now merge the cells in the total column. Highlight cells G3 and G4. Now click Merge and Center. You will now see a warning message. This is because Excel will only use the text in the upper left cell. Everything else will be discarded. It's important to remember this before setting out your data. This concludes this lesson. Please like this video, and subscribe, if you found it helpful. Feel free to browse my other Excel videos, for further tips and tricks.